What's up, guys? It's Van Lee here.
We're fucking back with another team up 3 booster pack Pokemon opening.
Each. Vince is going to start it off for us.
Opening
The first pack.
Snorlax and Eevee.
Some fucking cuties there. Oh shit.
I can't open it.
Oh shit.
Oh, fuck.
Oh shit.
I don't want to see the code card.
Code card's on the back, eh?
Yeah.
Just toss it. Just toss it. Fuck with code cards at the end. Well, I got stitched up. They put it at the.
Okay.
They put it at the front.
Good. I'll give you the code card so you can. Okay. I think. Okay.
They fucked me. They flipped mine
Yeah.
and put it on the wrong side. So I've already been spoiled.
Take out Psychic Energy. What's that?
Pupitar.
Pupitar.
Barely fucking read.
And
No, you took from the back, you retard.
I didn't take from the fucking back.
Yes, you did.
I didn't take from the back. I did take from the back, didn't I? Fuck. Okay, well then, I got jack shit. Panita.
Ow, can't you cards cut me?
Squirtle. A
Ooh,
reverse Meowth.
kinda nice.
And then that's fucking all.
Right, here's my code card.
Oh yeah, code card. There you go.
3 to the front. Fuck off the leaf energy. Can't read backwards. Hitmonchan. Dragonair. Mankey. Litten. Fucking hate Litten. So stupid. Can't read that. Fucking sheep thing. That fucking thing. And a reverse trainer that could actually be worth.
Yeah.
Because it's a
I
dumb
reckon
trainer.
If we get whoever gets the better card gets to keep the card.
Well, who got the better card there? Ah, can't.
Well, we
you
both
just
got
fucking
really
blind
jack
me
shit,
with the
but
meow.
if I get a good one, I'll give you the cards.
Alright, so we'll just...
Second pack!
I need that.
Gengar. And I can't fucking open the fucking pack.
I better not get fucked again with the...
I can't open.
So was your code card on this side or that side?
It's on the front,
Oh.
so you've got to open it from the back.
They're fucking cheeky, aren't they?
Am I fucking retarded? I can't
A
open
little.
plastic packs.
Oh, I got a bloody clay one. That's hot. I'm just putting the code card under my leg.
That's a good idea. Don't look at it.
Yeah. Right,
Okay.
you first.
3 to the back. Fire energy. Ah, I don't know what that is. Don't know
Sneeder.
what that is. That shit. Don't know what that is. Ponyta. Grimer. That one. Litten. A reverse Executor and I got jack shit
Fuck.
again.
Fuck off. Fairy fuck off energy. Fuck off fossil. Rapidash the cunt. Evelyn. Clay Joltik, that was fucking cool. Blitzel. Squirtle. Tentacool. Paris. Another shiny trainer, Nanu. And fuck all.
We're gonna get this is fun.
We're doing great.
Fuck, here's a code card for the last pack.
Yep, take your code card. All you fuckers at home.
This is gonna be a fucking waste if
This was fucked. Well, the trainers could be worth something. I'm gonna fucking get home. Put one in my head. I told you I had a bad feeling.
Last pack. I'm gonna show you how hard it is to open. Oh, I opened it really
Yeah, I
easy
just
this
found a
time.
very easy way to
Yeah.
open it.
Okay, I better not get stitched up this time.
Fuck off code card. Get that under me leg. 1, 2, 3 from the back. Alright.
I don't want that.
We do own the rights to this music.
Yeah, all of music.
We own the rights to music.
Spotlight, Moonlight, Rip, Jazzy.
Put it up. Anyway, back to it.
3 to the front. And take out the psychic energy.
You're gonna chip your fucking window.
I'm just going to show you what the good card is. I don't care. Lavender Town. I have something good at the back. I have something good at the back.
You do, you can see the...
Poor Nard. Staryu. Honedge. Weedle. Dratini. A reverse Staryu and...
Oh! Ampharos GX! I can feel fucking nothing. Well, we've got a winner tonight. I don't think I've got anything.
Boys and girls, for tuning in. That's all you got to say.
Alright, I'll just take a look at my shit. Nothing. Nothing. And I forgot to throw the fucking energy. Fucking nothing.
Oh, no.
I've been fucked.
Oh.
Fuck! A fucking Lapras. What am I gonna do with that? Cunt. Fucking... Shut your fucking mouth.
Oh, that is fucking shit.
That... You can barely even tell that the Hootchina's reversed. Look at that. Where do you see the shine? Fucking barely. Get that in the sun. You can't fucking tell. Fuck!
Imagine not getting a GX.
Yeah. So I won the first video, you've won the second video. Well played.
They win. They're still fucking shit. We got 2 shit packs out of...
And I got 3.
We got 1 good card out of 6 packs.
Here's the fucking code card for your gay Lapras. Oh, that actually landed fucking cool. Look at that. Well. I'm not too fucking fond of this pack opening.
No. Thanks for the great support from the last video.
Thanks very much for that.
Share with your friends, it helps us out.
Exactly, why not get us famous so we can earn money?
So we can give you money for being famous.
Fingers crossed.
Opening Pokemon cards and
exactly.
Vlogs on the way.
And gameplay.
And gaming videos.
Apex will have to be our first gaming video. And we'll have a special guest in one of those videos.
Yeah.
You'll have to wait and see who that is. You'll have to see if they're special at all. They might be a no one.
Yeah.
They might be a random that we decide to play with. Maybe one lucky sub.
Yeah, maybe one lucky sub. Subscribe to us, can play Apex Legends with us. Let us know in the comments down below.
Well, that's it, guys.
Patreon.
Link to our Patreon will eventually be down below. Probably not this video, but a video. We will be accepting donations upwards of $250. So we'll keep it nice and cheap for you all.
We'll give you a FaceTime call at $1,000 a month.
A month, yeah. You'll get a FaceTime every single month.
And we'll buy you a Happy Meal.
No, we don't have that much money. $1 hamburgers on at the moment. We'll get you a $1 hamburger if you go the gold membership, which is $1,000 a month.
$1,000, okay.
Alright, that concludes the video.
Like, subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
Share the video.
Fuck yourselves, basically.
Yeah.
But in a nice way. In a nice way.
One more look at the great card.
One more look at my great card. Yeah, fucking nothing. Fucking bullshit. Get ready with the bro fist. We're out.